In the past 3 years, there was one lens that I always bought, no matter what camera setup, what camera kit I was switching to, but the 35mm lens was always in my setup. And it was probably kind of the perfect focal length, because it is not too wide, not too tight. You can create really nice portraits, you can capture the environment of the place you are in. So it was kind of a really versatile lens for me. And I got used to it. Obviously, in the past 3 years, I used it a lot. This era ends because with my last switching to the Nikon ZF, I decided to switch it up a bit, and I will want to train myself to look at the world through a combo of the 28mm and the 50mm lens. So let me explain why I did this switch. In the past few months, weeks, I had a feeling that I'm kind of stuck with this 35mm focal length, and I felt an urge to change something, to experiment with something else. And I saw a lot of YouTube videos about the 28mm and how that focal length is a bit better for street photography compared to the 35. And also I saw others combining the 28mm with the 50mm, because using the 35 you have this versatile focal length that works well in both wide and detail shots. But when you switch to the 28 or to the 50, you lose the one or the other end of this equation. So I thought to myself that if I'm already switching to the Nikon ZF, why shouldn't I also switch to this 28-50mm combo? And that's what I did. Also, one of the reasons that I switched to this combo from the 35mm is basically the fact that whenever I try to photograph at these focal lengths with a zoom or whatever I had at my disposition, I frankly sucked. So my images were not good. I did not create anything noteworthy, at least from my point of view. So you might ask, what is my plan for this whole thing? And my plan is, first of all, I don't own a 35mm in the first place. So I think that's a really good plan for not shooting at 35mm. Then the second thing is that I want to shoot with these two focal lengths, 28 and 50mm, which I already both own for the Nikon ZF, as I already told you in the previous videos. First of all, I want to shoot with the 28mm 1 week, and then I will shoot with the 50mm the other week. And I switch between them intermittently. So 1 week the 28, 1 week the 50, then again 1 week with the 28, 1 week with the 50mm. And at the end of this exercise, I want to go out for a week in my hometown with both lenses and create sets of images from the parts of the town, creating wide, medium, and detail shots, better showcasing the city that I live in, basically. And at the end of this week, gathering all the best shots, I want to create with these sets a mini album of my hometown. By doing this, I have something tangible at the end of this experiment, and I will be able to point to something that this experiment and exercise resulted to.
Does it feel like I belong? Trying to keep it alive on this hungry side for a better confirmation that I'm heading for the station, and I can feel love is real. Now you try, if you're willing to just come along with me, we can feel no more lies. A simple dream of you and I.
If you're interested in seeing somebody switching from a 35mm to a 28-50 combo and what does it look like, how this process goes through, then consider subscribing to my channel. Also, maybe checking out my Instagram, because you will see images there that I will take throughout this 2-month period, and maybe even consider looking at my website, reading my blog, because I occasionally update my blog as well. Also, if you like my editing style and if you like the images I take, consider supporting my channel through buying my preset pack on the website. Otherwise, I will make sure that I will update you on these two lenses specifically. I will be creating a video where I will talk about these lenses, doing a mini review, and also talking more about the experience I had with the focal length. Also, I will do something similar on my blog as well. Thanks for watching. You know the jazz. Subscribe, comment, like, and see you in the next one.